When the vehicle starts or is in motion, device automatically enters dashcam mode. The vehicle's driving recording videos are stored on the TF memory card. Click this icon to view TF memory card videos. Click on the location icon to view the vehicle's positioning during driving and its driving trajectory. After the vehicle is turned off and parked, the device will automatically enter low power monitoring mode. In environments with good GPS signal reception, you can view the current docking location via the app. The device incorporates two radar modules, front and rear. When a moving object appears within the radar detection range, the device will immediately record video of this moment, and the app will send a notification alert. Moreover, the device utilizes advanced low-power technology, so you needn't worry about it draining your car's battery. Both lenses of the device utilize high-quality image sensors, capable of producing color images under illumination levels exceeding 0.1 lux. The rear camera of the device utilizes 940 nanometers infrared night vision. When light intensity falls below 0.1 lux, the rear camera automatically activates infrared night vision. The emitted infrared light is invisible to the human eye. The device can be shared with family or friends via the app at times when you prefer the device not to record footage inside the vehicle. Press and hold the PM button on the bottom of the device for approximately 5 seconds. Once the indicator light illuminates, the device will enter in car privacy mode, disabling both video and audio recording functions. Thank you for watching this video. 4 grams Vehicle Sentinel camera, adding an extra layer of security for your car.